Welcome back on this channel, bratan. And everyone, as I said in the title, is too bullish on Bitcoin because there is one crucial resistance line which we have to break in order to see Bitcoin running to 70, 80, and 100K. And please don't tell me I'm a bear or something like that, because who predicted exactly this? First this dump and then this pump. Who? And yesterday I jumped also. I was way too greedy. Here I wrote you also, even though if you watched my video yesterday, I said it's not a good thing, or it's too risky to jump in the Pepe long. Then I was too greedy. I couldn't resist and open the Pepe long. And what happened? I'm waking up, checking my trade is closed. I thinking, oh, I was liquidated, and now I checking P&L. Boom, blood, $9,600 in profit, and I'm so happy, and I'm prepared the next long position. So I'm not a bear. I'm all in, 99% in a loss in crypto, but I'm all in, bratan. And we are speaking right now. So why I'm saying the most of the people are too bullish? You know, we are doing here SMC trading. We are doing here smart money trading. And by the way, I have from the profits, if you think why it's so fuck, here I bought this ultra wide screen, but this is why it makes a shadow. It's totally shit. I don't know why I bought it from the profits, Pepe profits, but okay. Look, we see right now a pump, and why the most of the people are too bullish? I mean, one thing is obviously we have here the RSI is massively overbought. Wait a minute here, I move myself. Is massively overbought, yeah? This is obviously one reason, but there is still room to go to the upside. There's still room to go to the upside here to 64,700 approximately, because we see here, we have here SMCs, by the way, smart money trading. We are watching where's the liquidity, because market makers tend to liquidate where the most of the liquidity, to grab the liquidity. So we have here at 64,700. So I tell you now exactly my plan for the next 24 hours. Wait a minute, I forgot to say why are too many people are too bullish. Wait, I'm explaining right now. What the fuck? I'm completely, you know why I'm lost? I tell you why I'm completely lost. Why? Because this, I can't wait. I can't wait to finish this video to to eat this Dubai chocolate. So 2 or 3 I'm eating, and 1 I give my wife. It's enough. She don't want more, to be honest. Okay, let's go. Why are too bullish? Because don't forget, next week are earnings, bro. Earnings next week. And we have, for example, I don't know even what this Kangaroo Limited is, but on the 15th, we have here, for example, Goldman Sachs, all the banks, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and all this shit will present their shitty earnings. And it looks like they are all in profits. I mean, obviously, they're all in profits, like I'm always in profits. Here, pretend to be Morgan Stanley we have then on the 16th, and so on. So the whole week. So bro, please don't think we will not have a crazy volatile week next week. And I explain you also exactly my plan in a second. Also, we have in 12 hours, we will have the CPI from China will come in. China inflation rate, you see. And it's right now at 0.6, and the forecast at 0 will be at 0.6, and the previous one is also right now is 0.6. So we will see if it comes lower than expected. Then obviously this could be very positive for the market. If it comes higher than expected, it could be negative for the market. Just watch out in 12 hours, 1:30 GMT. So this is what I'm definitely watching the next 12 hours. And now comes my master plan again. So what I'm thinking right now, I think still we will see here drop to 61,600. You see there's a lot of liquidity at 150 million at 61,600, as you see it here. When this drop will be, I don't know, but I'm expecting here in the next 12 hours that we will see one drop to 61,600, which is in a perfect alignment with the Fibonacci 0382. You see it here. So this is one thing. What I'm expecting here, do we see here before a dump? Before we see another pump. And this pump will go as high as, and now be prepared, This pump will go obviously as high as 61,400, at least 61,400. So this is the first price target, 61,500, which is again in a perfect alignment with the Fibonacci 0236. So this is the first price target, number one. This is the first one. So this could probably a nice long position for Bitcoin. This would be like 3% profits approximately. This is what I think. Obviously, if we right now breaking 63,500, this theory is getting invalid, right? I'm just speaking about the immediate short term. The next price target, the second price target would be, if we're zooming out, we see we have a lot of liquidity. 64, 65, you see crazy. This liquidity goes up to 67K. You see up to 67K, we have crazy, crazy liquidity. So it is again in a perfect alignment here, up to 67, 800. I'm expecting here we'll go at least here to our previous all-time high, local all-time high at 67K. So this would be the second price target. And this is the moment where I expect that we are getting rejected and see it drop to 58 again, to 58, or even lower, as I said, to 54. So this would be then the third price target, and this would be the fourth price target. Boom. This is my theory. Why 63, 64? You know, because there's a lot of liquidity still, which they didn't grab, and they want to. They're chasing always the liquid. Ooh, look at this liquidity at 67K. Yeah, we will go to 67K in the next days. In the next days, I'm pretty sure we will go to see. Even in the next hours, maybe we will go to 67K, because you see. But before, I think there will be a drop. But look at this crazy liquidity. What the fuck? I mean, this one they will also grab, but I don't think they will grab it now, because as soon as they break 70K, the 2.4 million longs getting liquidated only at 70,000 shorts at $7,180. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. There are billions and billions. So this will be, but as soon as we break 70K, this will be the moment when we see Bitcoin run to 80K or something like that, 80, 90 or 100K. But in the immediate short term, we have to go again back to, because look at this, there's not much liquidity at 50, 54K. However, if you're watching, you see they chased always the liquidity. They always liquidated. You see here, boom. You see this week, boom. They liquidated, so there's really no liquidity left. And then they moved on. Here again, boom. They liquidate almost everything until there was no liquidity left. So you see there's still a lot of liquidity here at 54K. You see there's so many lines. You see there's so many millions, and combined there are billions. This only on Binance. If you check on, for example, on Bybit, there's even more. You see here, starting at 57 down to 54K, and 54K we have seen e-gap. So as I said, my theory is this weekend could be amazing. Still, we could see Bitcoin up to 62K before small dump to 60. What I said, 61. Wait a minute. Before we could see a small dump to 61,500 approximately, then second price target 67K approximately, then dump to 58 and 54K start of the week. But we have what we shouldn't forget, and it's now getting interesting. We have full moon on 17th. We will have full moon in 5 days, and 1 day before full moon we have pump. So what we could see is, we had historically something like that happen. What we could see, what I can imagine, but this is really now speculation. Maybe we will have here some shitty here Charles Schwab or somebody presenting shitty numbers, you know. Then this will cause a dump, and then on the 16th, Morgan Stanley and all this shit came on with crazy good news, with crazy earnings, something, and some other I don't know, corporation earnings, Blackstone, all this shit coming with nice earnings, and we have some other nice news which we don't know, and then we will see pump which will break, and this is the most important line. As soon as we breaking, and this is what I'm what I want to tell you from the start of the video. The most important line which we have to break, as soon as we're breaking this line, which goes back to December 2023, as soon as we're breaking this line, this is the moment when we know we are heading, we will break all-time high also, and then going to 80 and 100K and so on. And this lies exactly at 67,500. As long as we're not breaking above 67,800 or 68K and closing a clear green candle, I get so many water in my mouth because I'm thinking about the Dubai chocolate. It's so tasty. 1,000 calorie, one thing. So, and imagine I'm eating 3 of them, 3,000 calories at once. Fuck, that's crazy. But anyways, I'm shredded as fuck, so bro, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm not so much shredded, but doesn't matter. But I'm one of the most shredded in the crypto space because most of the people in the crypto space are crazy nerds who are liking all these posts from these Chinese girls, you know, from these crypto Chinese girls. It's crazy. I don't know why they're doing this. So we see here, I mean, they probably too shy, and I don't know, and they're sending Solanas to some girls, and so, oh fuck, that's so nerdy. Oh my god, I can't. If I see this, it's crazy. I mean, barely no one of them has like this triceps, bro. Okay, there is no triceps now, but it's because of the light blood. So and Pepe, I prepared the Pepe position. Pepe position. What I'm thinking about is to enter at 093 because, and now I explain you why 093. If Bitcoin dips to 61K, as I said to you, as I showed you, to 61,500, I could imagine that we see dip to 093 on Pepe. Why? Because we have a lot of liquidity right now at 093. You see, down to 09 even, which they could liquidate before we will see a pump here. We will see pump to, wait a minute, this is right now on Binance we are watching, before we see pump to 01. You see there's a lot of 0 at 01 and obviously here to even 0117 and so on liquidity. So there's a lot of liquidity starting from here to here in this space between 109 and 110 in this space. There's a lot of liquidity and I think they will grab it, and then we have here this double top and then we see dump, you know. So anyways, I'm pretty sure we are heading here to at least 109, especially if we are watching here also on Bybit. Wait a minute here, Pepe on Bybit or Bitget, doesn't matter. We see here crazy liquidity at 109 starting, so they will chase it. The only thing what I'm thinking right now about, as I said, I thinking they will liquidate before you see here we have right now in the last 3 days we have crazy liquidity here at starting at 096 and going down to 087 even. So if Bitcoin dips to 61,500, as I said, I think we should see also a dip of Pepe here to 09 or even a little bit lower before they grab all this liquidity and then going down again to 085 or even 06, as I said. So my entry position is here right now, approximately 093. This was also yesterday. I jumped into position here approximately. I jumped yesterday in position here at 093 and took profits exactly here. Exactly at this wick, automatically they triggered my profit here. So yeah, I obviously I am getting also again greedy because if I'm jumping right now in the position, I think the probability that I will make this 7% gains is very likely, but we are so overbought, bro. We are so overbought. I think I think we will see before we should see one dump. Or maybe I should go now long. Shit, bro. Because we again. No. I think I should wait. They will liquidate. They will liquidate this position, 094. They will liquidate before we will see another pump. They will grab, make quick grab. Here, you see, buy bid 094. So I prepared right now at 093. Maybe I should change it to 094. Let's change it to 094. 42. Fuck it. 092. So this is my entry. And my take profit is at 01109. So it would be 28k profits. It's 30,000 on 5x. I think we will touch it before we see here. Obviously, as if we are breaking, if I see that we will reach, here this my price target, as I said, where the most of liquidity is here. You see where it was here. Let's go here on the monthly. You see at the 109. There's a lot of liquidity. So obviously, if I see. You see here, I have here alerts on. I make another alert. If I see that Pepe will break here to my price target at 1094, then the first thing what I will do, I will cry. And the second thing is I will, because I missed out on gains. But bro, chill. You made 10k. What the fuck, bro? Chill. You made even in the last 30 days, bro. You made here 15k minus 1000, but then here 18k, something around 35k. Chill, bro. Chill. What the fuck? Greedy fuckface. Chill. So what I will do, if I see, we will see here pump to this price target at 109, which is here approximately, then I will close this limit order, because I'm expecting Pepe also to go down again back at least to 085 or 065. Why? Because we have here massive liquidity, obviously, here at which goes down here to 06. You see, I mean, we have right now at 833 a lot of liquidity. So at least to 833 we will go down at 833, but we have to check. Let me check on BitGet. On BitGet, yeah, we have here at 065. You see a lot of liquidity. So we should see at 833, and then Binance again. How much liquidity you have down below here? Yeah, at 06 or something like that, I think, or 833. So wait a minute, here at this area, starting at this area 855 down to 065. So this area is also a lot of liquidity. So the most of liquidity, if we are watching, wait a minute. So one of the most liquidity is here in this area. We have a lot of liquidity. So I think this we will see later. So first we will reach here. They will liquidate all these longs in this area between 1 and 1.1. And then we will see between 855 and 7.5, even maybe 6.5, even as low as 6.5. But I will enter, I think, because I'm shitting in the pants, I would put one scalping in at here at 8.5 approximately, and then at 6.5. In case we are reaching 109, and my limit order will not get triggered here at 9.3, which I showed you here. Where's the limit order again? Here, the limit order at 942. And obviously another thing is on WEX, I have also prepared this fat long position, and I'm pretty sure, you see, we will hit, because there's a lot of liquidity at $1.24, and I will move it to $1.23 right now, even $1.23, and I remove the take profit. Where's the take profit? I will remove it. Maybe it's at $2. It would be 18,000 profits. Yeah. Or maybe I remove it even, because I think this will be the last dump. Because I'm expecting also fat. You see here perfectly break down the support line. Right now heading up to here, I lost also so much opportunity, man. I could make here easy 15%, because obviously we are retesting this line now. then we are getting rejected, and then they're grabbing the liquidity at $1.23 approximately. Even maybe they go down to $1. I have to prepare because this is a 5x position and my liquidation is around 99 cents, so maybe I have to add margin. And Wax, on Wax you get $380 registration bonus in 3 steps. You know it. You made future transfer, blah blah, all this shit, and you get $100. Not future transfer. This I can claim already. Shit. Oh, I can claim. Made it. Oh, nice. Wait. Claim. Ooh, $30. $50 claim, you see, because here I transferred at least 1000 USD to your future accounts and maintain net transfer balance at 1000 for 3 days, 50 days, bam. I transferred, you know, here you see it. This is the, I transferred even more. I transferred something like 15K, not 15K, 8K. And here again, $5,000 to your future maintenance for transfer. You see, boom, 80. What I have to do now to claim the other one, I have to, here, for $2, fuck it. For $100, I have achieve a future trading volume of 5 million USD or higher to claim 100 USD. Yeah, it's not so difficult. $5,000 on 100x, it's 505 million. It's anyways, I'm trading the whole time. I will reach so. But you see, I claimed easy here, something like $150, and also for KYC you get 100 or something. And another trade I'm preparing here on ETH, on Ethereum, and this is BitGet, on BitGet, Bratan. On BitGet is offering VIP traders on Bybit from my account, but it's only for our community. If you have a VIP 1, 2, 3 level, you can make registration through my link. You can claim on BitGet even up to $8,000. This is the wrong link right now, but in my comments, I have the right link on my bio. And you get an upgrade to your next VIP level, which reduces your, your trading fees, which is so nice. And I have also get, obviously, from them a higher VIP level, which reducing my VIP, my trading fees. I have to move from Bybit to BitGet here, this Pepe trade. It makes much more sense. But you have to send me your UID on X or in my Telegram, and I send them, and then you get upgraded. Very important. Very nice. It's a win-win situation for us both, Bratan. But I think I don't have so many people who are winning trades. So 1,800, I prepared here ETH, long position. Why? Because there's a lot of liquidity at 1,800. We watched yesterday already, but let's check, because it's changing, this fucking liquidity changing every day. And because people ask me why Ethereum is dumping, yeah, I look at this. They will grab all this liquidity down to 1,500. You see? It's crazy. They will grab it. This is, in my opinion, I'm pretty sure they will grab it. And let's check here. Let's check here. Where's the... wait. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. At 1,920. 1,920. We have here the FIP 0618 coming in. Yeah, but the liquidity, you see, you have to combine with technical analysis with smart money trading, bro. And then you will lose your money. Yeah, but the liquidity is between 1,800 and 1,500. But my limit order is 1,800. And another thing, bro, what do you think? I wrote yesterday with BitGet for everyone who is not so into trading. Like, you see, I'm every day do trading and Dubai chocolate only on Saturday. But for people who, if I have here real traders, BitGet suggested yesterday to me that we make a competition within our community where they will make giveaways like iPhones, MacBooks, all this shit. And I asked, is it real or not? And they said it's 100% real. And if so, there will be a rank, like a top lists, for example, top traders. So even if we are shitty traders, and I want also to be part of this trading competition, because obviously I want to win some of this shit, because you will get it not as a product, but you get it in USDT, which is nice, which I can use then for other shit, like buying this bro, shit or some other things. By the way, this fucking rent called me today. They wanted to get the money from my bank account for the rent here, $10,000, but I didn't have this money, and they wrote, you have 2 hours to put the money in the bank account. So I have to make more money now, because I made 10K, but from this 10K I already bought for 1,500K this shit here, which I don't need. Shit. So, but regarding the trading competition, what do you think, brother? Should we do this trading competition? Because we have, the nice thing is we are not competing with other people, which are obviously much better trader than we are, but we could compete within our community and win like this MacBook and all the shit, but they will pay in USDT. But if you want this shitty MacBook, you can also get this shitty MacBook. They will send you this shitty MacBook, but I have the direct contact to them, and so it's sure that you can win. You know, it's not like it's something where you have to do 100 challenges, but we just make a trading competition. What do you think about? Because this is what makes me really hyped, because I'm trading anyways, and yeah, I think this could be a fun thing to do, which would be over a few days or few weeks we make this competition. What do you think? Write me down in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.